Assalamu alaikum. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Today our topic is classification of carbon atoms. As we know that carbon atom can form maximum of 4 bonds. So, depending upon the number of bonds, carbon can form its 4 bond with any of the atom like carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, etc. But here we are going to discuss about the number of carbon atoms which a carbon atom can has formed with other carbon atom. Depending upon the type of carbon atom, the property of the carbon atom that is called catenation. Catenation is a property of carbon atom in which it can form long and long chains and rings with other carbon atoms. There are two different chains. The first ones are called long chains and the second one is called closed rings. But in any of these forms, carbon can form most maximum of 4 bonds. If a carbon atom has formed one bond with other carbon atom, the carbon may be called as primary carbon, and the carbon, if it has formed two bonds with other carbon atoms and the rest of the bonds with other atoms like hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, etc., the carbon may be called as secondary carbon. And if the carbon has formed three bonds with other carbon atoms, the carbon may be called as tertiary carbon. And if in the case of four bonds with other carbon atom, the carbon may be called as quaternary carbon atom. Now we are going to discuss about the detailed description or classification of the carbon atom. The first one is called primary carbon or 1 degree carbon. The carbon atom which is attached to only one other carbon atom is called which is attached with only one carbon atom either with single bond or multiple bond. This carbon will be called as primary carbon. A primary carbon contains only one carbon atom like CH3, CH2, CH3. This carbon, steric carbon, has 4 bonds, but in these 4 bonds only one bond is with the other carbon atom and the rest of the 3 bonds are with hydrogen. So both of the steric carbon atoms are called primary carbons. Next is the secondary carbon. Secondary carbon are 2 degree carbon. Secondary or 2 degree carbon atom is that carbon atom which is attached to two other carbon atoms. As the number of degree number contains 2, this 2 is the number of carbon atoms. Secondary carbon is the carbon atom which is further attached with two other carbon atoms. Number of carbon atoms are 2. Two other carbon atoms is called secondary carbon or 2 degree carbon. For example, CH3, CH2, CH3. This carbon is secondary carbon as it is bonded to right and left with carbon atom, and the rest of the two bonds are with hydrogen. Note. And the next is tertiary carbon atom. Tertiary carbon atom is also called as 3-degree carbon atom. Tertiary, as the name indicates that this carbon contains 3 carbon atoms attached with it. The carbon atom in organic compounds, which is further attached with 3 other carbon atoms, is called tertiary carbon atom or 3-degree carbon atom. For example, CH3, C, CH3, CH3. This carbon, which is steric carbon, contains 1, 2 and 3 other carbon atoms attached, and the last one bond is formed with hydrogen atom. Remember that if there is only one carbon atom attached with the carbon atom, the rest of the 3 bonds will be formed with hydrogen atom or any other atom. But in case of hydrocarbon, we can say that if one bond is with carbon atom and the rest of the 3 bonds will be with hydrogen atom. And in case of secondary or 2-degree carbon atom, if there are 2 carbon atoms attached with a specific or underlined or under observation carbon atom, the rest of the 2 bonds will be hydrogen atom. And in case of tertiary carbon atom, the 3 bonds are formed with the carbon atom, and the last one bond, the fourth bond, will be formed with hydrogen atom. Means if there will be 3 carbon atom, then one will be hydrogen atom. And if there will be 2 carbon atoms, there will be 2 hydrogen atoms. And if there will be only 1 carbon atom, in case of primary carbon atom, the rest of the 3 bonds will be with the hydrogen atom. And the last one type of carbon atom is called quaternary or 4-degree carbon atom. Quaternary or 4-degree carbon atom. Quaternary carbon atom, as the name indicates that, or the number of degree indicates that this carbon has formed all of its 4 bonds with other carbon atom, and there will be no hydrogen atom in this case. The carbon atom which is attached with 4 carbon atoms in an organic compound is called quaternary carbon atom or 4-degree carbon atom. In this case, there will be no hydrogen atom, as the total number of bonds a carbon atom can form is 4, and all of the 4 bonds are formed with the carbon atom, so there is no space for hydrogen atom. This thing is represented in this example: CH3, 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 CH3. Means this carbon atom is attached all of the alkyl groups. They may be methyl, ethyl, propyl, etc. This carbon is called 4-degree or quaternary carbon atom. Now we can summarize all of the 4 carbon atoms in a single example as like this: C, carbon C, carbon C. This carbon CH3, CH3. Now we will complete the bond with other hydrogen atoms. CH2, CH2, CH3. First of all, we will discuss about the primary carbon atoms. In this example, there are so many primary carbon atoms. First one, this the corner carbon atom. All of the corner carbon atom may be primary carbon atom. As we see that this carbon atom is directly attached with this carbon atom, one bond is found with carbon atom and the rest of the three bonds are found with the other three hydrogen atoms. So this carbon atom will be primary carbon, and here we can write it as 1 degree carbon atom. Next one, carbon primary carbon atom. This is the corner carbon atom, methyl group CH3. And if there is a CH3 group, remember that three hydrogen atoms, and after that one carbon atom may be. So this will also be primary carbon atom. Next, CH3 group, 1 degree carbon atom or primary carbon atom. This CH3 is also a primary carbon atom. And after that, this corner carbon atom, this is also CH3 group. This CH3 group is also 1 degree or primary carbon atom. So in this example, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 primary carbon atom. Next, we will identify the secondary carbon atom. Remember that CH2 group, the carbon which is Ci2 group, which has the Ci2 group, this is called secondary carbon atom, and here we will identify there are two Ci2 group. The first one is that Ci2 group. In this case, this carbon is directly attached with one this carbon atom and the second this carbon atom. So this carbon which is directly attached with the two carbon atom is called secondary carbon, and the rest of the two bonds are formed with the hydrogen atom, and there are two hydrogen atoms. So this group is called Ci2 group. So this carbon will be called as 2 degree or secondary carbon atom. Yes. In this compound, another carbon atom is also present, which is a Ca2 group, and this is also a secondary carbon atom, and we can call it a 2 degree carbon atom. Now our next target is to identify tertiary carbon atom. The tertiary carbon atom is the carbon which is directly attached with three carbon atoms, and after that it contains only one hydrogen atom. So we can say that CH groups are called tertiary carbon atom, and there is CH group. This CH group which contains one carbon, second and the third carbon, these three carbons are directly attached with this carbon atom, and here we can also form an asterisk. So there are three carbon atoms and one hydrogen atom that are directly attached with this carbon atom. So this carbon will be called as 3 degree carbon atom or tertiary carbon atom. And here we are going to discuss about the quaternary carbon atom. A quaternary carbon atom is a carbon atom which is directly attached with the carbon atom, with the four carbon atom, and there will be no hydrogen atom attached with that carbon atom. So to identify that carbon will be attached as defined as the carbon which is directly attached with four carbon atoms or four alkyl groups. This is the carbon atom. Yes. 4 degree or quaternary carbon atom. As a summary, we can write that in any organic compound, a carbon atom which is directly attached with three carbon atom or which is called CH3 carbon. This may be on the end of first chain. This will be primary carbon. 1 degree carbon CH3 group, and if there are Ci2 group, a carbon atom which has directly attached with the two carbon atom, this carbon will be called as 2 degree carbon atom, And if there is a carbon atom in the compound which contains only one hydrogen atom, and this will be written as CH, and there will be three bonds which I am going to represent as a single line. This will be attached with the carbon atom, and this will be called as or written as or described as CH. This will be a 3-degree carbon atom or tertiary carbon atom. And the last one, which may be represented as just carbon atom, and there will be four bonds, single bonds written in this form. This will be called as 4-degree carbon atom. This is the brief summary of the carbon atom which we are have to learn or to practice in the organic compound and to identify. Depending upon these type of carbon atoms, we can identify type of alcohols, type of amines, and the other organic compounds in which these carbon atoms are used.